Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Uber with debit card, right? It's very easy. We will just go into the Uber mobile application here. Once we are here, let's say that before you just want to take a ride, you can also set your payment with debit cards. I will just show you that way. Right, once you do it, just go to the account section. And once you are here, just scroll a little bit down and somewhere in the settings icon, so guys, if you see here in the top, you will find this payment option. So just click on the payment. And once you click here, you will get this option of gift cards and gift and cash, or you can also pay with your debit card, which is very easy to do it. So I will just click on add payment method. So once I click on the add payment methods, I will get this option, credit and debit card, as well as the other option too. So I will just click on credit and debit card to add a new payment method, create a password for your Uber account. So of course we have to do it. Let me just create in few seconds. And once you enter the password, you will able to enter the card number, the expiration date and CVV and your country, and as well as you can also add your nickname too, right? And once it's done, you can just click on next, and after that on every ride you will be able to pay with cash as well as with your debit and credit card as well as the other payment methods too. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.